Hello, welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how to lose weight in a healthy way and without sacrifices, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to put together a healthy and simple diet that will help you achieve your weight loss goals quickly. Before we go to the video, subscribe to this channel, because every week we bring various tips for you who want to lose weight and have a healthier life. That's why it's important that you are subscribed so you don't miss out a single tip. Now let's go to today's pro video.
Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? Do you want to lose weight quickly and safely without going hungry? Our ebook Healthy Weight Loss: How to Lose Weight Quickly and Safely is the solution you're looking for. Written by a nutrition expert with over 20 years of experience, this guide will teach you proven strategies to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and keep your weight off for good. Imagine losing those extra pounds while enjoying balanced meals and simple, effective exercises. Don't wait. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with these practical and safe tips, and now it's your turn. For a limited time, get access to the complete guide and start seeing results in just a few weeks. This is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that works. Act now before this offer ends. Your journey to being healthier and slimmer starts today. Buy now and take the first step towards sustainable weight loss. Healthy weight loss, quick results and long-term success are just a click away. Link in description and pinned comment.
Nutrition tips for gaining muscle mass healthily. Gaining muscle mass, also known as hypertrophy, not only depends on intense training, but also on adequate nutrition. Having a balanced nutrition focused on foods that promote muscle growth is essential to achieve the desired results. In this article, we will share nutrition tips that can help you gain muscle mass in a healthy and sustainable way. 1. Consume high-quality proteins. Proteins are essential for building and repairing muscles. Protein-rich foods provide the amino acids needed to promote protein synthesis, which is the process by which the body builds new muscle tissue. High-quality protein sources include chicken, fish, lean red meat, eggs and dairy products like cottage cheese and Greek yogurt. Vegetable sources such as tofu, tempeh, lentils and chickpeas. 2. Maintain a caloric surplus. To gain muscle mass, you need to consume more calories than your body uses throughout the day. This surplus of calories is called a calorie surplus and is essential for the body to have enough energy to build muscle. The ideal is to calculate your daily energy expenditure and add around 300 to 500 more calories, mainly from healthy sources such as lean proteins, complex carbohydrates and healthy fats. 3. Prioritize complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are important for providing the body with energy during workouts and ensuring that proteins can be used to repair and build muscle rather than being used as an energy source. Include quality carbohydrates such as brown rice, quinoa, sweet potato, oats, wholemeal bread and wholemeal pasta, beans, lentils and whole grains. These foods provide energy in a gradual and sustained way, preventing blood glucose spikes and ensuring energy throughout the day. 4. Inclui gorduras saudáveis na dieta. As gorduras saudáveis são importante para o produção de hormônios, como a testosterona, que desempenham papel crucial no crescimento muscular. Além disso, as gorduras fornecem energia e ajudam na absorção de vitaminas. Fontes de gorduras saudáveis incluem abacate, azeite de oliva, óleo de coco, nozes, amendoas, castanas e sementes de chia ou linhaça. Peixes gordurosos como salmão, sardina e atum. 5. Eat frequent meals. An effective way to optimize nutrient intake for muscle gain is to eat frequent meals throughout the day, distributing macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates and fats, over several meals. Eating every 3 to 4 hours can help maintain a steady flow of nutrients into the body, ensuring it has the elements it needs to build muscle throughout the day. Additionally, this avoids long periods of fasting that can lead to muscle loss. 6. Hydrate adequately. Hydration is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in muscle recovery and performance during workouts. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps keep your muscles hydrated, promotes the transport of nutrients to muscle cells and improves digestion. A good rule of thumb is to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, adjusting this amount according to your level of physical activity. 7. Consider nutritional supplements. Although it is possible to achieve your muscle mass gain goals with natural foods alone, some supplements can help complement your diet and optimize results. Among the most common and effective are whey protein, a quick and efficient source of high-quality protein. Creatine helps increase strength and performance during training, helping to gain muscle mass. BCAAs, amino acids that help with recovery and prevent muscle breakdown. It is important to remember that supplements should be used as complements to the diet and not as food substitutes. 8. Get a good quality of sleep. Finally, sleep is one of the most important aspects of the process of gaining muscle mass. During sleep, the body releases hormones essential for muscle recovery and growth, such as growth hormone. Ensure 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to optimize muscle recovery and improve your training performance. Have a complete post-workout meal. The post-workout meal is one of the most important moments for gaining muscle mass. After exercise, the body needs nutrients to repair and rebuild muscles, and a combination of protein and carbohydrates is essential. Post-workout meal to gain mass, what to eat after training, muscle recovery with nutrition. Example of a post-workout meal. Whey protein shake with banana. Grilled chicken with sweet potatoes and vegetables. Greek yogurt with oats and berries. These meals provide your body with the nutrients it needs to optimize recovery and promote muscle growth. Supplement when necessary. Although the basis for gaining muscle mass should always be a balanced diet, some supplements can help optimize results, especially if you have difficulty obtaining all the nutrients from food alone. SEO keywords: supplements to gain muscle mass, creatine for hypertrophy, whey protein to increase muscle mass. Recommended supplements: whey protein, excellent for increasing protein intake quickly. Creatine helps increase strength and performance in training, which leads to muscle mass gain. BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, help in recovery and prevention of muscle catabolism. Omega-3 reduces inflammation and improves muscle health. Conclusion: nutrition tips to gain muscle mass. Gaining muscle mass requires much more than intense training. Adequate nutrition, correct consumption of macronutrients and good hydration are fundamental pillars for achieving your goals. By adopting these dietary tips for gaining muscle mass, you will be providing your body with the nutrients it needs to build muscle in a healthy and effective way. Remember, proper meal planning and monitoring by a nutritionist can be essential to achieve the best results in a personalized way. A balanced diet is the key to gaining muscle mass. Following a diet focused on gaining muscle mass requires discipline and planning. By including quality proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats and staying hydrated, you will provide your body with everything it needs to build muscle efficiently. Furthermore, distributing meals throughout the day and ensuring good post-workout nutrition are key factors in maximizing results. Did you like these nutrition tips to gain muscle mass? Then subscribe to the channel right now to receive more content about nutrition, health and well-being. Don't forget to like and share this article with those who are also looking to gain muscle mass in a healthy way. Subscribe, like and share.